up, you guys? It's Candace here, and I'm deep conditioning right now, but someone wanted me to do an update on my Visa wig. This is her. Don't mind my dog head, I got a little bored. But yeah, as you can see, she's really stiff towards the ends, and she doesn't look quite as good as she used to. However, I'm about to attempt to chop her up into a bob. Yeah, I've never cut a bob before, and I really wish that my mom was here so I can cut it on her head, because this thing is just going to slide off the mannequin head or whatever. But yeah, so if you all want to see that, stay tuned.